Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I wire money from my Capital One savings account? I know that this can be a confusing topic, so I'm going to break it down for you and explain everything you need to know. Before I get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information that I provide in this video is not intended to be financial advice. If you have any questions about wiring money from your Capital One savings account, I recommend that you speak to a financial advisor. With that said, let's get started. What is a wire transfer? A wire transfer is a way to send money electronically from one bank account to another. Wire transfers are typically used for large transactions, such as buying a house or paying for college tuition. How do wire transfers work? When you initiate a wire transfer, you will need to provide the following information: the recipient's name, the recipient's bank account number, the recipient's bank name, the recipient's bank address, the amount of money you want to transfer, the reason for the transfer. Once you have provided this information, the money will be transferred from your account to the recipient's account. Can I wire money from my Capital One savings account? Yes, you can wire money from your Capital One savings account. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Capital One charges a fee for wire transfers. The amount of time it takes for a wire transfer to complete can vary depending on the recipient's bank. There are some restrictions on the amount of money you can wire from your savings account. How to wire money from your Capital One savings account. If you want to wire money from your Capital One savings account, here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Capital One online banking account. Click on the Transfer Money tab. Select Wire Transfer from the list of options. Enter the recipient's information. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Select the reason for the transfer. Click on the Submit button. Once you have submitted your request, the money will be transferred from your account to the recipient's account. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when wiring money from your Capital One savings account. You can wire money to any bank account in the United States. You can also wire money to some international bank accounts. You can wire up to $50,000 per day from your savings account. If you are wiring money to an international bank account, you will need to provide the recipient's SWIFT code. Wiring money from your Capital One savings account is a quick and easy way to send money to someone else. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of before you do so. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.